Hi, I'm Brad Moon for Best Buy Canada's blog. Today I'm looking at something with crossover appeal. PC gamers and fans of mechanical keyboards will both appreciate this pair, the Razer BlackWidow V3 Pro and Razer Huntsman V2 Analog mechanical gaming keyboards. From a distance, they look nearly identical, and they do share some key features, but as you'll see shortly, each is a unique product. First, let's look at the Razer BlackWidow V3 Pro. This keyboard can be used wirelessly, using either Bluetooth or Razer's own 2.4 GHz hyperspeed ultra high-speed wireless, or you can use it wired with USB-C. You'll see a white Razer Pro Type keyboard in the background, by the way. It's not part of the reviews, but it's been my daily driver wireless mechanical keyboard for the past year or so, and I have to say it's pretty fantastic. So I can say with first-hand long-term experience that Razer makes nice keyboards. Now back to the BlackWidow V3. It's equipped with Razer's green mechanical switches, which provide a satisfying click and tactile feedback. Switching over to the Razer Huntsman V2 Analog, this is the company's first analog optical keyboard. With these analog optical switches, you can actually adjust the actuation level to suit your playing style. A more shallow height for fast action, deeper clicks to avoid accidental keystrokes. The Huntsman V2 Analog is a wired keyboard. There are both USB-C and USB Type-A connectors. I was able to power it with just USB-C, but if you're using USB Type-A, you'll need to plug in both cables to deliver enough power. Razer includes a USB-C adapter in the box, so you can do that. Here's a look at the Huntsman V2 Analog's optical keys in action. The two keyboards do share some features. Keycaps are double-shot ABS plastic. Why does this matter? It means the textured keys won't wear down and become shiny or have the labels fade. They're also extra thick and stronger than regular plastics to withstand heated gaming sessions. Both keyboards have double feet to raise the keyboard, so you can choose between flat, 6 degrees, or 9 degrees of tilt. On both keyboards, the upper plate is aluminum for durability. Both also come with a comfortable padded leatherette wrist rest. In the case of the Huntsman Analog, the wrist rest actually attaches to the keyboard magnetically. Both support N-key rollover with anti-ghosting, and both keyboards are equipped with onboard media controls. Naturally, both the BlackWidow V3 Pro and the Huntsman V2 Analog are equipped with Razer's Chroma RGB Lighting with 16.8 million color options. Out of the box, they can cycle through basic single color schemes, but with Razer's Synapse software, you can get much more creative. Now that reliance on Synapse software means advanced features like chroma lighting, macros, and even the Huntsman Analog's key actuation control require a Windows PC. I could use these keyboards with my Mac, but I couldn't access the cooler features. Not that macOS is a big gaming platform. The Razer BlackWidow V3 Pro and Razer Huntsman V2 Analog mechanical gaming keyboards are both excellent choices for PC gaming. They're built to last, to the tune of 100 million keystrokes. They nail the cool factor with Razer's chroma lighting, and the tactile responsiveness is a big plus in gaming. Which one you choose, wired or wireless, traditional mechanical switch or optical analog switch, is up to you. There really is no wrong choice here. You'll find the full range of Razer gaming gear, along with gaming accessories and peripherals from all the other top brands at Best Buy. To learn more about the Razer BlackWidow V3 Pro and Razer V2 Huntsman Analog mechanical gaming keyboards, be sure to read my full review on Best Buy Canada's blog.